This is our All You Need Is Love geometric heart. To begin with, you want to make the shape of a heart. If you do not have a template as I do, you can make your own so that you get the shape that you want. You can use construction paper, pretty much any paper. You just have to be careful when you trace. So trace your heart, and then you need to draw a line straight down the middle. Use a ruler and match it up with the top point in the center and the bottom point, and then you're going to draw a line across. You want it to be straight, and then you are going to make dots around the edge on the inside of the line, and you're going to try to make them symmetrical on both sides. If it's not exact, it's okay, not to worry. So I'm just trying to match them up, and then you put a dot in the bigger area of the heart at the top, and then you connect the dots, quite literally. The first ones are right in the middle. It kind of looks like a cross, and you're going to connect those. So then when that part's done, it looks like a kite. And then from there, you're going to draw lines to all the dots. And you do want them to be symmetrical on both sides. I actually made a mistake on this one, and I put a line where I shouldn't have. But that's okay. You know, it's those happy mistakes Bob Ross talks about. So you finish connecting all the dots, making sure you have lines the same everywhere. If you don't have a ruler, you can use an edge of a notepad or a book, or old throwaway mail that's, stiff. And can you see my mistake? Oh, I just fixed my mistake. And then you take your watercolor. You want a small watercolor brush and your watercolors, of course, and then you paint, and you do not want to paint the same color next to each other. You want to jump around. I would do one color a few places around it, and then choose a different color. Of course, you do not have to do pinks. It's your heart. You can do whatever colors you want, to be honest. And remember, when you're using watercolor, more water makes it lighter. So in essence, that's another value of the same color. You could put that next to a darker value of the same color. They will look different enough. So I am using analogous colors, 3 colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. I'm using the red, purple, and blue. And you color it all in, and it looks pretty awesome when it's done. I actually really like this, and there you go.